Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to deposit money to your OnJuno account. If you don't have an OnJuno account, we will put the link on the description below for you to sign up and get $50 bonus after setting up a direct deposit of $250 or more. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you will see an option for Add Money. Click on Add Money. Now, select how would you like to add money to your account. In this video, I chose Bank Transfer. Click on the option you wish to select. After that, enter the amount you wish to transfer. Then click on Next. Now review the transfer details. After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Next. Now you will see a message saying that your deposit is initiated. And it will take 5 to 7 business days for your funds to be transferred. That's how you deposit money to your OnJuno account. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.